Tonight's challenge is to go stargazing. Find a clear spot outside where you can see the sky and check out the stars. What constellations can you see? Maybe you can make up your own constellation. The sun is one star that we can see during the day, but how many stars can we see at night?
The sun is the closest star and the center of our solar system, which is part of the Milky Way Galaxy. On a very clear night with no light pollution, you can see the Milky Way. The cloudiness is millions of stars far, far away. Constellations are when certain bright stars that could be really far away from each other form a pattern in the sky.
As the Earth rotates, we get a different view of the night sky. So if you check out the sky at 8 p.m., you'll notice the constellations are in a different place than they are later in the evening.
From where we live in the northern hemisphere, there are a few easy to spot constellations. The 5 circumpolar constellations go around the North Star throughout the night. This is Cassiopeia, one of the circumpolar constellations. We can see her all year long and all night. Does this drawing of her look like the constellation?
The Earth is also traveling around the sun, so at different times in the year, we have a different view into space. That means that there are certain constellations we see in the winter that we don't see in the summer, like Orion. Wednesday night was a new moon, which means the sky will be extra dark and we should be able to see lots of stars. Let us know in the comments what constellations you saw. Grab a blanket and a family member and get lost in the universe. Have fun out there!